In this video, I will show you how to convert video to MP4. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. In this example today, you can see I've got this video file that I want to convert. This is an MKV file, but this works for any type of video file, whether that's a .mov file or whatever kind of file your video file is. Now, in order to do this, we're going to be using a website, and the website we're going to be using is called Cloud Convert. So this is completely free to use, you don't have to pay anything, and the website address is cloudconvert.com/mp4-converter. Now what you want to do is come across to here, and then what you want to do is click onto the red select file button. This is going to open up your file explorer. So from here you just want to locate where your video file is. For this example, my video was on my desktop, so I'm going to click desktop over here and locate my video file, which is this one here. Once you've done it, just go ahead and click open, and what that's going to do is get this ready to be converted. So you can see this is a .mkv file. All you want to do is where it says convert to, you want to click onto this box here and select MP4 from the list here. So you can see it's going to be converted to MP4. Once you're happy, just go ahead and click the red convert button, and what it's going to do is upload your video file and then begin to convert it into an MP4 format. The process is normally pretty quick, it doesn't take too long. Of course, longer video files might take a bit longer, but generally it takes about a minute or two to completely convert your file. Once the conversion has finished, it's going to load up a window like this showing you the video file, and then all you need to do is come down to the bottom and you're going to see a download button. So you can go ahead, give that a click. This is going to start downloading it onto your PC, as you can see in the top right hand corner. As you can see, that's now downloaded, and this is now in a .mp4 format. So to find this, just go ahead and come down to your taskbar at the bottom, click onto the search box and type downloads, and then you should see your downloads folder. Just go ahead, open up your downloads folder, and once you've done that, as you can see, this is our MP4 file here, which is of course converted from our video file, our .mkv file. So that's how to convert video to MP4. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.